Friday. Let me readjust myself. I'm in my workout gear. I'm going to get moving later today, and I'm so excited to join you for our daily calendar review. Calendar review. Calendar review. You want to stand up and dance with me one more time? All right, let's do it. Let's stand. I'm not going to stand up because it means I have to move my camera all over the place. But you guys should stand up and say, calendar review. Calendar review. Calendar review. Okay, all right. Who's ready to get started? Awesome. Give me a high five. And let's get this show on the road. All righty. Let me get tiny. All right. So we're coming down here to our next coin. This day says 27. Can everyone say that with me? 27. Oh, we're almost to the end of the month. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this day on the 27th. Ooh, this is a tails of a coin. Who knows what coin has a torch on it? What coin has a torch on it? It's small, and it's also silver. Did you say a dime? Great job, boys and girls. Yes, that is the tails of a dime. All right, so I know that if I whiz right up here, I will land on Friday. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. So let's go ahead and say our whole date. All right, so today is Friday, March 27th, 2020. Awesome job, boys and girls. I heard some great dates. So today is Friday, March 27th, 2020. And I'm so excited to keep working on our calendar together. All right, so I'm going to push up my today is, which is Friday. Now we're figuring out what was yesterday and what tomorrow's going to be. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So if I'm thinking, what comes before Friday? What comes before Friday? Tap, tap, touch. Does anyone know? All right, let's look. Friday, and I back it up. Ooh, TH. Thursday. That is correct. So yesterday was Thursday. All right, now I need to find out what tomorrow is going to be. And this is one of my days that starts with a S sound. So can you think of a day that starts with a S sound? Did you say Sunday? Did you say Saturday? Those are 2 days that start with a S sound. But which one of them comes after Friday? Tap, tap your chin. Think about it. All right, let's say our days of the week together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. All right. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Great job, boys and girls. You did excellent with that. All right, moving along. I'm looking outside this beautiful morning, and I see that it is very wet outside. I see the bright green trees and the blue sky. Did you say it's sunny? Yes, today's weather is no longer cloudy. It is sunny. Okay, I hope that means that you guys get to go out and do a little bit of playing outside. All right, let's keep it moving. Oop, let me put that today's weather is sunny. And we recorded it on our graph. Unfortunately, March still has more cloudy days, but we'll see what Monday brings. We still have 2 more days in March to record. All right, I'm going to take a sip of my coffee, and we're going to get ready for Spiral Review. So get that piece of paper out. Whatever you need to be ready for Spiral Review. This is a good one to start with. Go ahead and fill in those missing numbers. So I would start with the 14, then what comes next? All right, you guys get it done? A few more seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get ready. All right, so I have written my blanks on my line, so I'm going to count from 14. 14, what's going to come next? 14, what more than 14 is? Did you write 15? Awesome. So I'm going to actually write 15 right here. My 1 and 5. Yep, that's right. 15. All right. So on my board, I've got 14, 15, and then what's going to come next? After 15 comes 16. That's right. Way to go. All right. So I'm going to write my 16. 1 and 6. Ooh, trying hard on that one. All right. Now we're moving on to this last blank. So let's start again and count. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What comes after 19? What comes after 19? Did you say 20? Way to go. It is 20. Let's see if we wrote it the right way. First, I'm going to put my 2, and then I'm going to put my 0. And boys and girls, it's very important when you have your teen numbers that your 1 goes first and then your bigger number so that we know that that's a teen number. Awesome. Let's move on to the next question. Sorry, Moni's talking to me. All righty. This one's a good direction following one. Get ready. Draw a square on top of a rectangle. Draw a square on top of a rectangle. I'm going to draw mine. All right. Did you get it done? Give you a few more seconds. Alrighty, I flashed my 0, and we are going to see what ours look like. First of all, we need to figure out that a square has short sides, all the same sides, sorry. So here's my square, okay? All my sides are the same length, okay? And so that is my square. Alrighty. Now, I have my square on the bottom. On top is my rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. I had trouble pointing this. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, so your picture should look like this. A rectangle on top of a square. All right, moving on. 1 less and 1 more. So go ahead, boys and girls, and set up your boxes, or you could give yourself some lines that look like this. If you don't want to give yourself some boxes, so blank for blank, up to you. And figure out what is 1 less than 4 and 1 more than 4. Moni has a lot to say this morning. Go. All right, so we are going to move into start with 1 less. So I have 4, and I need to figure out what is 1 less than 4. I have 4 in my brain, I take 1 away. How many is that? Did you say 3? That's correct. I could say 3, 4, which is using the counting method. All right. Now, I need to know what 1 more than 4 is. 1 more than 4. So if I have 4 and I add 1, 4. 5, that's correct. 5 goes next. So 5 is 1 more than 4. So you should have 3, 4, 5 on your board. All right. 1 more question, I believe, today. Skip counting. All right, go ahead and look at those. Each of these towers has 10 blocks. So if each of them has 10 blocks, I could skip count by 10. So let's all practice skip count by 10. So I want you all to stand up. I'm going to do this seated, but I want you to jump with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's try that one more time. Let's do toe touches this time. I'm going to spin you so you can see me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Alrighty, boys and girls. Now we've practiced that, we can get ready to use our tens blocks to help us count. So go ahead and count them for me. How many did you count? All right, drum roll, I'm going to write my number. Did you write that number on your paper? Get it down quick. How do I write that number? Did you get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? That's what I got too. So I'm going to write a 50, which is a 5 and a 0. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have the best day, and I will see you all soon. Sending you a virtual hug. Bye.